Welcome back. I'm Michael, and you may remember me from the first course of the program. In this video, I'll be helping out your instructor Jason by presenting the next steps for processing data from the usability study. You've now learned how to gather all of the data from your research in one place and organize it so that it's easy to understand. Now it's time to find themes in that data. To do this, we'll ask ourselves two key questions. What common patterns have you identified in the data that you've collected? And what do they tell you about the product design? To identify themes, the best place to start is with your affinity diagram. As we discussed in an earlier video, affinity diagrams help you organize the data from the note-taking spreadsheets into broad groupings or patterns. We use colorful sticky notes to create visual representations of these patterns. After creating your affinity diagram, take some time to observe which sticky notes have been grouped together into categories. Areas of the affinity diagram with multiple sticky notes usually represent a pattern, and later, each pattern becomes a theme. Let's examine the Dogwalker app affinity diagram created from our usability study. There were 5 participants who joined the study, so looking for groupings of 3 to 5 sticky notes is a good place to start. There are 3 sticky notes in the scheduling section on the left side of the map. These are related to booking reoccurring dog walkers or multiple sessions. Based on this, we have identified our first pattern. Let's keep going. Now we'll check the affinity diagram for the booking and checkout related tasks on the upper right-hand corner of the affinity map. These tasks were at the end of the user flow, and there we have another group of 4 sticky notes related to frustrations about there not being a confirmation page. So, now that we have 2 clear patterns, how do we turn this information into themes? We need to think about what these patterns tell us about the product's design. Start by taking the data from the pattern and then expanding on it. Connecting the pattern to the user's experience is the best way to do this. For example, the first pattern is being able to book a dog walker repeatedly. So our theme might be, most participants feel that being able to make a reoccurring booking would offer them more options on the app. Let's try another one. The second pattern we observed for 4 out of 5 participants was being surprised there is no confirmation page before completing checkout. So our main theme might be, most participants want to confirm the details for the dog walking session before booking. Thanks to our data being organized in the affinity diagram, we can quickly identify themes. This is one of the great benefits of creating affinity diagrams. All right, now you know how to find themes in data. Next, we'll learn how to come up with insights based on the themes you identify.